And then some of the bows color can make it as light or as bold. You might even find them on Amazon. And with some in our mold here. And then I'm just going to roll it out. Just going to pick off the excess here. If they're dry, then we'll get our little marshmallows and chocolate assembled. Okay, now we're going to work on our little chocolate pieces, our little chocolate bar. So I'm just using this little chocolates. And we're just going to mix these two together. So for our little s'mores, we're going to, okay, and let me get my little all over it. But then I'm just going to peel it off.